inspiration in the world of personality development, offering valuable insights and tools for self improvement. Her commitment to fostering growth and transformation in the individual has touched countless lives. Today, we are honored to have Ms. Sarveen with us as she shares her expertise and insight during this guest session on personality development.
You know the topic of today, and as Anamika mentioned, I'm into the field of image consultancy and etiquette training for almost a decade now. My company, Personify Global Academy, it came into existence almost 8 years back, where we have now global presence. We provide trainings right from individuals, students to professionals, to corporate sectors, government of India, training Mrs. World, celebrities, and also internationally to many people. When we talk about personality development today, the first and foremost thing I want to ask each one of you to reflect and answer this question to me just in a yes or a no. Is your personality already developed or there is a scope to develop? In next 3 years, how do you want to be described? But at that point of time, you're coming into the real world ecosystem. There's going to be competition, there is going to be challenges, there are going to be people who can easily replace you at any moment of time.